Molweni bahlali, welcome to Sporting Culture. Igama ngumzi Jonas. Sama no Brady behind the camera. Noxa wami uTamqe umqeqeshi Tapiro kunjani buthi?
So Tamzi right khona kunjani?
Yey, ku right. Big match 2026 FIFA World Cup opener. A complete replica of 2010 South Africa versus Mexico. Ngo-2010 South Africa was home facing in Mexico. Ended up in a draw. And now Mexico is at home facing the same nation, just different players. Club group, we have your Mexico, South Korea, Czechia. Siyaphuma ba club group?
So Tamzi Rodman andiziboni siphuma kula group.
Okay.
Sisikude for uphuma la group. In terms of level, yabo intensity, energy endibonileyo kwi teams ezizikula group.
Yeah.
Kwi pre-season le yenansika ye friendly for World Cup. I have seen izinto mfasi ba zizaba zi challenge kuthi thina. Yabo. And this is izinto mfasi ba we are not up to as a standard. Czech Republic physical. Really by dominate. They are one of the teams is dominated area. Mexico speed movement yabo is something efumana ba defense yakho kuzaba nzima for yona pha. Yabo South Korea I've seen nayo nezinto ezenzayo efumana ba they are playing to most of iland kayabo, especially star players sabo. Son is someone who can hit you ne-striker zabo, because I saw nayo into man i-runs zabo behind the defense yakho. So andiziboni siphuma batamzeni.
Yeah.
Andiziboni siphuma mkhulu wami. And sizafinisha phaa ekugqibeleni.
Yeah.
Sizafinisha last batamzeni.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona uxolanga Tamzi.
No, ndinethemba ndiyanoba ndinethemba kuba in the South African mhlawumbi loo nto intenza blind to as a reality
in effect.
But at the same time, as I said earlier,
Ngifuna ukuva.
as I said earlier, asenzelwanga ilanduka ishaqi singenanga ngedolo pha yabo, singene straight pha yabo. I think we finished top or second after scored a point, but we finished strong. Qualifiers group yethu, so asenzelwanga favor kuba phana. We are there on merit. We are there on merit. And also sometimes you can have equality, I think we are lowest ranked. We actually are lowest ranked club group. But I think we stand a chance. We have our most creative player in Umshishi Pa. We have also Omofokeng, funeke balenze igama labo, no Apolis. Funeke balenze igama labo. Or Umukwena, is a household name of Africa, but izwe jikelele alimazi ncam or alimazi kuyaphi, so as much as we can say banequality, but it all depends, in a fight.
Yes.
It depends in a fight, and I think scenario la fight, it's not going to be easy kodwa. Ayizoba lula, because especially game yokuqala, and knowing Hugo Bros, igame yokuqala uyayazi intensity, pressure, energy yala game, high press abazayifumana sizayifumana from Mexico, because badlala nga 3 front and la 3 izawupressa, and they might add another player kla 3, you know. Bazawuphuma ngathi soba ngathi kuvulelwe inyosi. Yabo, it's going to be hectic, yabo. And not only that, you have a stadium, yabo, majority Mexicans, yabo. So badlala against the 12 men as well, yabo. Ayizoba lula at all. But is it possible? Very possible. Now, World Cup siyayazi but there's upset. So why ke ngoku South Africa, you know, ingenoba, you know, mhlambi la hope, uyabona, yabo. Mhlambi la hope besides being a South African, just knowing dobana South Africa i-World Cup ibane upset, ibane into esingazilindelanga, yabo. And South Africa is in a position yoba ibe yenye, you know, yes, our nations is upset because at the end of the day, the underdog.
Yeah.
No one's expecting much, you know. So I'm expecting siphume kula group. Siyaphuma kula group. Siyaphuma kula group. And not only uphuma kula group, ku-knockout, siya-survive knockout he-1.
Yeah.
Also depending basidibana nabani pha.
After that,
you know, because you may have a team, you know, come unako umelana, yabo. So umgama wethu might be longer than we think.
Yes. No chances no. Okay, ilaluka le first game tamzini yangomso. Wena uHugo Bros. Ne. Starting 11 sakho.
Andifuna siyitsale, you know, in terms of his starting 11, you know, but
now
but manibeke ngohlobo lentobana ndingamention i-players and make it long because ndizawufuna ukucacisa ubani ntoni, yabo. But I would say makabe balanced.
Okay.
Abe balanced in defense, abe balanced in attack, yabo. Angajongi absorb pressure.
Okay, yeah,
you know, because I'm sure Hugo unalando because it's that type of matter. Yabo. But okay, bazawuphuma masibabane. Let's make sure we don't concede. And ke akho mntu ufuna concede. And ayithi londo nga ungafuna concede defend. Yabo. Because there are players ezizakwenza mistake ba. Yabo. Then you end up conceding because you are defending. You are not attacking. Yabo. And the best defense is to attack. Yabo. So it might be sitting with a lot of defenders at the back. Yabo. Adding in midfield as well, defensive midfielders as well. Ngoku and defenders needs that back. So I'm hoping is akazohlala at back. You know, is about balanced in defense and attack. You know, because once you make a mistake, you consider because you were defending all the time. Kunzima ke ngoku ubuya uyofaka ba because now bazawuvala ba. You know, it's going to sizawuba frustrated, yabo. Izawuba nzima. Yabo, izawuba nzima. But I'll say makabe balanced, yabo.
Ndiyakuva times kulo nto kanye le because na bengicingile njalo ba kule nto benisithi iSouth Africa izophuma pha, yabo. Uyibeka kahle ba in terms of if ube balance kuzaba right, but I think uzawusufferisha i-ball position in terms of izinto zizaba kwi-opponent. So I think most game uzaba low block. Yabo, i-situation izampushela abo because of i-Mexico ezofuna beneball. Izawufuna to make sure ibhola ikuyo so that ikwazi ukwenza izinto. Same i-Czech Republic, same i-South Korea. So hopefully kule nto uyichoyo ngasekenze njalo athi make sure ba i-squad sakhe sibalance so that nokuba hita ngekhawuna baphume babuye umva so that abe ne-chance because to be honest nxa ndimjonga nami ngoba uMadala uStabboy angafuna ukwenza loo nto leyo to make sure la game yescore esiningi 1-0 or 0-0 yayibona. So nami lolo nsithi Madala
and also and also nathi sina i-pace going forward.
Yeah,
you know.
So
we have a lot of pace going forward. Sibele on your wing, Moremi on your wing, you know. So we can exploit, you know. Hopefully, normally ke phofu central defenders ziyathanda ungabi nayo la pace, you know. So hopefully we'll exploit them, you know. will exploit la pace situation to our advantage, you know. Also, we spoke earlier about, okay, support. You know, you mentioned a send off and yazi amanye amazwe enjani ku-World Cup. What do you think of South Africans supporting South Africa, Bafana Bafana in this World Cup? Namzawuthi qapha emva kwakho.
Alright. Yeah, hey, Tamzi, kule utshoyo, hey, mixed emotions, man, yabona. Abanye abekho kule nto fully, yabo. And then abanye bakule nto ufumanisa uba, hey, we are not showing this is the time for World Cup, you know. Kule nto utshoyo, Tamzi, we have seen countries sending off iland squad zazo with i-convoy, yabo. We have seen countries zivizitelwa zi-president. Kumuva wonke kuyoma airport, yabo. Kumuva wonke umuntu behind i-squad, yabo. Especially ne-African nation nazo sizibonile ba, no, they have been, yabo, escorted to ilanduka whatever airport yabo, and then show into abantu bayamkelwa nalapho bafika khona zifenzi zabo wonke. So thina andibonanga ivuto, andibonanga singabantu abathi this is us, South Africa, we are proud of you, even social media, television, kwintoni. So ikwenziwa into bangabana isquad isiphuma like already besesilwa kule nto yenzekileyo. Abanye baloo nto ba kutheni kubizwe upresident, abantu bagxothwe sebephana, kutheni bengaxelwanga. Uyayibona laa nto because khona laa nto bebebizwe masikeza criminal ntontoni, kwaphinda kwathi yabo. So besesilwa siyikhantri into ehambi Bafana.
Sinjake
sesirongo Tamzi. So yeah, kakhulu iBafana ingathi ayina-support, man.
Yeah.
Home ayina-support.
Yeah. No, sithetha into enye and yenza umsindo, you know. Indlela iBafana engasupportwa ngayo, especially by employers eSouth Africa, engakumbi corporate yalapha eMzantsi, because ukudlala eSpringbok kukho o-Springbok jersey Fridays, yabo. Abantu banxiba i-jerseys zeSpringbok, abantu ba-patriotic for iSpringbok, abantu ba-patriotic for i-Proteas, i-cricket, you know. And uzawuva intetha, you know, uzawuva intetha zento bana hayi Bafana week, you know. Awukwazi in your right mind, you can't compare the two, yabo, or rather the three. You can't compare iSpringbok neBafana, and you can't compare iProteas neBafana, because one, mangapi amazwe that play competitive rugby, you know. Awakho maninzi nations that play competitive rugby. Uzawufumaniseka uba there's 15 to 20 amazwe adlala competitive rugby, ne-World Cup yabo ayibi more than 20, yabo. So even up Africa alone, ziSpringbok qha esidlala competitive rugby, you know. Aba bantu bakompeta bodwa neetim ezimbalwa, bayazana. And kulaa 20 uzawufumaniseka uba le idlala competitive rugby, kulaa 20 uninzi abanye bayo-add numbers, yabo. Abanye bayo-add numbers. But same with iProteas, you know. Naphana you get 15 to 20 nations that actually play competitive cricket, yabo. Even though you had a bit of Zimbabwe there, but abayindawo, you know, they don't play as competitive as the Proteas, yabo. So now when it comes to ke football, apha Africa alone, kunzima uphuma apha Africa kuqala, you know. We have more than 20 nations that play competitive football, yabo. Njengoba global kwicricket bana 15 to 20, kwirugby 15 to 20. You find that, okay, Africa, you are competing with more than 20 abantu, yabo. And South Africa is in the top 10, yabo. Sikwa number 10. So I feel it's unfair, you know, to compare by, okay, abazowina because abazoyina iWorld Cup, you know, because sisupporta aba because bayawina. Bangcela abantu abacompete, they're competing with 20 nations against ilizwe that is competing with a lot, you know. So we have that problem, and also there's talks of South Africa not being diversified, yabo. Akukho representation yabantu abamhlophe and such, yabo. So this is a sport esaba representative in the early years of our democracy. With cricket, we had a white coach. With football, we had a white coach owasithathela i-AFCON ngo-96 in the late Clive Barker. We had players phana, Mark Fish. We had your Brendan Augustine, Brendan Silence, Bradley Carnell, Benny McCarthy, Mark Williams, Neil Tovey, you know. So representation, like it's the first sport as inclusive of all races. And when Ilandoka played the final, you know, Ibafana Bafana 96, when they played the final, the Springboks were there, ne-cup yabo. Ne-cup yabo. It shows nobana we are the first sport, but whilst ngapha we only had uMakhaya Ntini for the longest time. For the longest time we had uMakhaya Ntini pa. And later joined by Telemakhasi, Roger Telemakhasi, you know. And the politics I don't want to get into. Yeah. And there was Eshwell Prince, and then kwa rugby, we saw Chester Williams. Only, you know. And then when I want to come back and say, we don't see, you know, but we were behind the Springboks. We were behind Proteas. Yeah. Well. And then when you say you'd like to see a white player, are you speaking from a person who's a fan of the sport or, well, because sometimes you'd say, okay, mention one, not to say Azeko, but mention one just to show, but mostly who is making a comment based on a racist idea. And also another thing you'd find I found out obana kuthiwa andifuna umention but kule World Cup kukho indawo ezenze ngathi South Africa ikhopha, you know, kukhutshwa into ekuthiwe makusupportwe. Hence, in the spirit of the World Cup, you know, abantu mabanxibe i-soccer jerseys zee-teams abazisupportayo, you know. Akuthiwa makunxitywe ijezi zeBafana Bafana, yebo. So bona laa nto uba yabona apha eSouth Africa iBafana Bafana iphathwa iphethwe njenge-stepchild. Wayo, you know, iBafana Bafana is treated like a stepchild, and it's sad. Ikhona enye into bhuti Ivan.
Yeah, no, ngithanda le nto uyibekayo xa ngithanda le nto uyibekayo bangabana in terms of mention one, you know. As the South Africans, when it comes to rap, we can call abantu, we can call the numbers, even kwa Landika, Proteas, we can be busy captains like Graham Smith or Landika. Yeah, but also we have been following, not even UTI, the supporter, who supporter when it comes about Proteas, you support World Cup, you support anything about Jalayo. But when it comes to Bafana, sozo bemenshina sozo khala ngamagama players ezipha sozo kusho amanu bani yayibona so isupport to be true into
enkosini bahlali masivale ixesha lekho enkosini bahlali thank you for watching Sporting Culture. Peace.